So what you want to do for the Isolines map is first find all the points that are given. So first is 1012. So one of them is over here, and the other one's over here. And when you plot the lines, you also want to make sure that the line stays in between the numbers that are higher than it and lower than it, or it would be wrong. So like this. Now we want to plot the second point, which is 1016. And so one of them is over here, one over here, and two over here. So now we plot that again, and again make sure we don't pass any numbers that are higher or lower than it. And the last point is 1020. So here's one over here, over here, over here, and over here. So then we go ahead and graph it, plot it, I mean. And that's how you do the first part of the Isolines map. To do this part, you have to get a you could get a piece of paper. Since I'm doing digitally, it's easier, so I could just use the screen. And then you want to plot the contour interval lines on that piece of paper, like this. And then you move those lines over here anywhere on the map. It doesn't really matter. And then you find where the interval of the lines are. So you can see that A and B are both 1500, so they would both be over here, and over here, and over here. So, and the contour interval is 100 feet. So, and since it's going up this way, since it's going this way and it turns into 2000, we know that it's rising instead of decreasing. So, since this line is 1500 and it increases by 100, this one would be 1600, this one 1700, this one 1800, this one also 1800, and then it looks like it's going back down to 1700 and 1600. So then we plot those points on the graph. So this would be 1600, 1700, 1800, 1800, 1700, and 1600. So now we just draw the lines connecting them. Okay. And yeah, that's how you do it.